Approximately 10 hours later.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video, y'all. Right now I'm about to go get an oil change. So I'm just gonna record as I go through the day. I know the last few videos been like lame as hell, low-key, other than the self haircut. I like that one. But like, I mean, the other ones, they cool, but they not all that. But my oil's black, so I gotta go get an oil change. And yeah, so we're gonna go do that right now. I'm gonna roll these damn windows down. Really, I'm taking the top off because it ain't hot and it's not cold. Fuck it, why not? Might as well. Might as well, shit. My car is hit though, my shit fucked. But I gotta take my car back to the shop on Wednesday, so I might as well go get an oil change and shit so they don't gotta do that. Take 5 said they was open till 7, so. Alright, y'all, I'm about to go grab this oil change real quick, and I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get there. So I'll see y'all in like a few seconds and shit. I don't even know how long I don't even know how long I gotta wait till I can like dog it. Not dog it, but like, you know what I mean. Step on that motherfucker a little bit. But yeah, I'm about to go back home right now. I don't know what I'm about to do. I just spent $140. I got an oil change, and then I got something else. I don't know what it's called, but it's something. I just seen a cop back there. A cop back there. Fuck it, let's go down off the street. I don't know who that was. There's Dan's. Dan's Variety Bakery. That's where I went last night, or nah, the night before that. But yeah, my car's still having problems, hella problems. I gotta take this shit to the shop Wednesday. I don't know what's going on with it, but they still didn't fix it, bro. I'm getting tired of that shit. I don't know what's going on. But we're gonna get this shit figured out one way or another. And then once I save up a little bit of money and get the job that I'm trying to get, either that or start getting paid from YouTube and shit. But I need y'all to subscribe, y'all. Like, y'all, man. Don't nobody, like, people be watching my videos for sure. And I appreciate y'all that do watch my videos, but, like, we ain't made it to the point yet where I could get paid, but it's gonna take time. It just be hard, like, putting my time together with everything that I gotta do, and it just be hard sometimes. So that's why I'm be. Sometimes I'll go without uploading, and then bro, what is that noise? I keep hearing some like. I keep hearing that shit, bro. No doubt. Motherfuckers revving that shit next to me and shit. That old ass Mustang, boy. Yeah, look, burn some rubber on their ass. Now they ain't making no noise. Fuck you talking about? Yo, bitch ass back there. They don't want me to burn that rubber on their ass now. Look, they behind me and shit. Trying to get next to me and shit, like. She ain't on nothing. She ain't on nothing. She ain't on nothing. Let's go downtown. The fuck going on at Foster Park, boy? The fuck? Now my car is running better after that oil change though. I don't know why. I mean, that sound like it should, but I don't know. But we just chilling, y'all. They got a parade or some shit going on downtown. I don't know what it is, but shit, I'll be out the way. I ain't even finna go over there. But yeah, we headed back to the crib, y'all, so I'll just see y'all when I get back to the house. He happy as hell. I just cut up with him for a second. He happy as hell. That boy happy as hell. That boy happy than the motherfucker. That shit funny. He looked over like, what the fuck? Them motherfucker a little fast. Nah. I took off on his little ass. He was like, oh shit. I need to put that hood latch back on. I don't know why he took my shit off. Oh, oil change. Oh, oil change. Yeah, they clean the shit out of my oil now. And it sounds better too. It don't sound like it's running like how it was. I don't know why. I don't know why. Don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. Damn, he done took the whole shit off. What the fuck? Where he put my shit? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Damn. So my shit won't even stay up now. said I shouldn't have an aftermarket air intake. He said I need to take that off. Aftermarket air intake. But yeah, I don't know. I need to check my oil. Make sure you change my shit good. Oh yeah, that shit clean, boy. That's good though. That is good. And it's not spitting out like it was. That shit's, boy. I need to go clean my car again. Damn, I should have did that, bro. I should have did that while I was at take 5. Let's get some revs. Oh yeah, my shit sound cool. What's that smell? Boy, why my shit loose like that? That shit's shaking. What is these? This called Flowmasters? That's what these exhaust tips are called, Flowmaster. But I don't know what that means though. That's probably just some aftermarket exhaust. But shit, I don't know. I need some friends, bro, to record with. I don't got no friends. Like dead ass. I don't got no friends, bro. Shit crazy. Where my friends at, yo? I don't got no friends, yo. Fuck, yo. Yeah, what the word?
Word.
Where you at?
I'm at the house right now.
I'm at Nanny's. I just got my oil changed and shit.
Alright, Dad, I'm gonna be on the way right now.
Okay.
Alright, well.
Alright, love. Damn, man. I just spent like a lot of money on my oil change. I spent $40 on a AC unit replacement for like the filter and shit, and he said that was like $40, $49.99, and then my oil change was like $70. So, no, my oil change was like $79.90, so 80 plus 80 plus 50. That's 130, and then the tax and shit. That shit was probably like $10. Cause it pulled out 140 off my thing. Well, damn. I got that taken care of. Now I just need to take this bitch back to the fucking shop and then you fix my shit. That shit be pissing me off. Fuck. But yeah, y'all. I got hella compliments on this too. Everybody that was working there, they was like, I ain't never seen a Mustang with no interior like that. I was like, yeah, I did that shit myself. It was like, that's pretty cool, man. Bro, I really need to get into like epoxy flooring. I'm trying to do that. Like go customize people's garages and shit. I need to start doing shit like that. Who the fuck is this walking up on me? fuck is this? Who is that? 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 You finna see he walking up on me. Yeah. That's what I thought, homie. That's what I thought, homie. Cavity. Like, why is he walking that close to my car for? I was better walk in the middle of the street. I still need to make the music video to this, bro. Them consequences come with that. I know I ain't the biggest dog, so this 2-3 gon' handle that. Run away, pull out that big shit on his ass. The scope of this bright ass green beam, I can't even miss my leaving flat. Bro bounce out the window, skied up like the military on his ass. When we trapped him, we all froze up. I hiccup pop up out the cut right now and leave my dumb ass straps on black. Head stains and all black. Now I sit back and thump the racks. I keep my Glocky on my waist, I'm fully legal, I can't lack. Yeah, I be swerving in that stain, pushing smoke all out the back. I take a trip down to the deep, now I'm floating off the back. Trying to do. Devin and Ronellius just made it.
Vlog? How y'all coming? It's y'all boys excited, man.
He got the trench habits.
You already know it, man.
Are you treacherous?
Treacherous? No, I don't know.
Yes.
He's treacherous.
Bro,
Div,
treacherous.
Div's back out the house.
Oh, bro, not in trouble no more for having yard.
Bro,
I was so shitty.
them forces would not be fresh if you wasn't grounded.
Oh,
bro.
I had to stop wearing the
Look.
red so much, too. What?
That shit's still in there. I ain't took it out at all.
That bitch so deep. He hates looking at them hoes because you know he wore them out so much.
Ronell, here.
Sell them to somebody at the
Yeah, you can sell them for like $20. Be like, these is yellow bottoms.
Craigslist ass shoes.
Craigslist. Need to be done. Ooh, ooh. He said, and I need somebody who can stand by me.
In the trench habits.
Ronell looks like every other teenager now, with the trench habits on.
That's what you look like for real.
Back your ass up, folks.
No. No, good as hell.
Damn, move, Coco, shit.
I got a whole new barber shop. Your ass ain't been over in a minute.
Give y'all, bro. Yes, y'all.
You gotta turn them on
Shoot,
here.
Coco. Okay. Okay, girl. Okay,
Burning shit.
Bro.
Good ass lighting.
Good ass lighting.
Face look clear.
Good ass lighting for the cuts.
Hey, Cam, bro.
Yeah.
Why?
Cut.
You think they grown?
I'll give you a cut for a haircut tutorial.
But do you think they grown though?
What?
The size and all that.
Yeah.
Do you
I
think
ain't
that
seen you in like
this?
a month.
I don't know though about this.
Nah, it grew back a little. I'll give you a cut.
I don't know, man.
Nah, bro.
Do you think I got my old taper back, bro? Cause I just
It's starting to like. It's starting to like stick out more again.
Oh, bro, your shit is getting afro.
good, bro.
But it's cause, bro, when he tapered your stuff, he cut it just straight up like that.
I know. Yes, that's
Yeah.
why from the when I
It's
had
terrible.
my phone from like down here, it would look like I had like a.
And I got
top,
this
bro.
right here from when I record my cuts.
Yes, bro. He actually got his
All that.
shop. Yeah.
Y'all gotta start tuning in. I'm gonna probably make another channel for my cuts. And then y'all could watch them videos and learn how to cut. Just off me.
Yeah.
Bro, I do need to learn how to cut. I need a little side hustle too, job. If I learned how to cut, I got so many people that would just want to get a haircut just to hang out with me.
Bro.
that just be wanting to hang out. And I'll be like, let me get you a haircut real quick for like $5.
Bro.
Be like, shit, alright. Mommy, you going too?
I need to lower my prices back down so I can get more customers. Cause I raised my prices at 25 now. And I ain't even getting nobody. I ain't
The last
gonna lie.
few people was coming in though. They didn't care.
But that one dude ain't came back with his son.
For real.
I swear. But it's because, bro, his son's head was dirty as shit. I couldn't cut it. I swear. Like, don't come to get a haircut if your head is that dirty. I can't see.
Yeah, you're supposed to wash your kid's hair before you give him bring him to a barbershop.
He said, I washed his hair this morning. No, you didn't, bro. Oh, no, you didn't. No. You ain't washed it. He was outside playing. He was at the playground at school, recess, all that. And then you came and got a haircut talking about, I washed his hair this morning.
Just
no, you
filthy.
didn't. You did not wash it.
It was probably sour, wasn't it?
I know how, when you wash your hair, bro, your hair's supposed to be like soft and like all that.
Bro.
Like his hair was hard, nappy as shit. I was trying to pick it.
Yeah,
There was
gum in
dust.
it.
There was dust flying out everywhere. I was like, nah, bro. And then there was hella dry skin on his head. I was like, bro, I'm not gonna be able to cut it.
I wouldn't even have touched it. I would have thought it stunk.
I should have just told him like, hey, bro, but I didn't know it was dirty until I started cutting under the skin. And I set the bald line and then I was like, oh my gosh, bro. Like as I was doing that, there was just white shit flying off my razor and shit.
That was,
With a spice
Bro.
ball.
Did it actually hurt?
Nah, it does sting though, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, chill.
That bitch stuff. Bro, get your shit clean after a cut.
Bro,
Ooh, it's alcohol.
you wanna cut?
You can actually revive.
Man, this shit smell good
Nigga,
as
he's
hell.
obviously gonna revive you.
You
You're
gonna
gonna
have
look
to do
good at
bad surgery.
That shit smell like Duke after you get a cut. Bro. We just chilling. We just finna blow real quick and then I'm finna give him a cut. So
Only one look cause it's going up.
we'll see y'all later on in the video because I ain't doing nothing right now. Alright, y'all.
So that means make it.
We just chilling right now.
Drop it in. It doesn't come out. It's magnetic.
We about to go cut some more hair.
Upside down.
We are so lit.
Oh yeah, we about to do a hot box video later too. No cap. No cap, no cap. We about to get busy.
Well, how that bitch
Devin, you could still get on at Planet. My boss said, he was like, we need an overnighter. We need an
There's
overnighter.
no 2 more slots.
We need an overnighter.
There's not 2 more slots for that?
What? No, there's just one.
Yeah, go ahead and go.
Be sure just fuck. I don't know how much it could.
Ronell in the cut. TJ in the cut.
It's good, son.
I'm about to get a haircut and shit. I'm about to chop them up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, hold on. 1, 2. Okay, that is 10. Never mind, I'm taking.
Hell yeah.
There's the haircut. There's the haircut money tonight. Oh. Oh, yeah, he grabbed it for. I was making sure it was all there. So now I got $10 and then I got the rest in the bank.
Hell yeah. Bet.
Welcome, Tonsky.
Appreciate it.
Get me right. Trim
For
this
sure,
shit
for
short
sure.
though. Like trim it like
Like hella short.
So like you remember how we had it when we first ever cut it? Like whenever you first chopped it and you had it real short but it curled? I need it like that because it looked the best thin. Because it sat right over the fade. Like you could see the whole fade but it sat just
Yeah.
right over but it curled up good.
Bro. Alright, bet.
It's
We gonna
because
get
like
you
look
right.
because like
This gonna be a different type of haircut, y'all. Well, it's not gonna be in this video, but if y'all wanna watch it,
am I allowed to hit these in here?
yeah.
Okay, I didn't want to hit
If y'all wanna watch it though, the haircut, his haircut, TJ. I'm gonna probably post it on my TikTok. Or I might post it on this channel in a different video. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera off. Or not? Should I just end the video here? I might as well.
Nah, you gotta vlog the whole haircut.
Yeah, that's gonna be a different video. Yeah, I'm gonna just end the video here, y'all. It's probably long enough. But y'all wanna say something?
Shit.
Hit y'all boy up.
I'll hit y'all with some real shit. Stay positive. Stay on a good ass like tone. You like, bro. You gotta stay on a good ass tone. Keep your mind positive. Keep your body
Make sure you
positive.
subscribe.
Oh yeah.
How you gonna tell me to do it? Because I'm trying
Hey.
to talk about. Fucking just subscribe. I ain't gonna talk no more.
Make sure y'all like.
Fuck it, just subscribe.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We out. Peace.
I'll rub my balls on your mom's forehead if you don't.
Ooh.
Yeah, don't listen.
Puss.
To me, bro. Just.
I'm kidding.
Y'all heard him?
No, I'm kidding. I got a girl. I get my ass beat.
All right,
You know what I mean?
we out.
Just-
Peace.
just